Okay.
Oh, all right.
I was talking about coffee.
Yeah.
Because I'm tasting, I'm drinking espresso coffee in Budapest. Segafredo, Italian coffee, but it isn't so true because espresso coffee is very different. It's shorter than this and more intensity, more. How can I say?
Power or something?
Power,
Yeah.
short but more power, and taste is very good. But anyway, I like also this coffee because when I travel, I like to taste the other kind, the other way to eat.
And when you're drinking the coffee in Italy, how is it drinks? All right.
Okay.
Thank you.